Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study all-night easy guide. Start by preparing your study space with a lamp, water, and a single device in Do Not Disturb mode to avoid interruptions. Arrange your materials so only vital resources are within reach, and set a visible timer for your first 90-minute session. Commit to simple rules for the night to protect deep focus and momentum. Use targeted techniques to make late-night study efficient and memorable. Start with active recall and write quick practice questions you can answer without notes to cement memory. Alternate problems with brief summaries aloud, and use spaced retrieval to revisit topics every few hours. Tackle the hardest material when you feel freshest, then shift to lighter review and practice problems so fatigue doesn't erode new learning. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical study tips. Quick recommendation: the meal prep containers I use make late-night snacking clean and stress-free, and they pair well with study routines. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Protect your energy with smart habits that keep you sharp through the night. Sip water regularly and choose light, protein-rich snacks to sustain blood sugar without a heavy crash. Move for 2 to 5 minutes each hour to boost circulation and reset focus, and avoid excessive caffeine late in the night so you can recover afterward. Gentle stretching and breathing help reduce tension and keep thinking clear until you finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.